Okay, so how do we proceed here? Again, here we are going to consider the continuity of this function. Okay, so because of its behavior, this can still be outside there. Okay, like we did with the logarithm. So here we're going to say cosine. Okay, and then we're going to have a limit in here, and then x approaching infinity. Then we have x over x squared plus 10 plus pi over 3. Okay, now if we have this, okay, if we have this, now we can check the validity of this. So here if we put infinity here, okay, this is negative and that is negative there. So if we put it here, we'll see that this is negative infinity, this is infinity. So this one will give us minus infinity over infinity. Now, if you remember, this was one of those functions that we said was one of those statuses that we said that this was indeterminate. Okay, so we have to find a way around this. Okay, how do we do that? We can divide throughout by 1 over x squared. So we'll have limit x approaching infinity. We had cosine there. Okay, and here we're going to have x over x squared. Then we're going to divide by x squared over x squared, then plus 10 over x squared. So this one is cosine. We have limit x approaching infinity, like that. Then here we have 1 over x over 1 plus 10 over x squared. Right. So we can go on and remember we have plus pi over 3 plus pi over 3 plus pi over 3. Okay, so here we have cos limit x approaching infinity. Okay, actually here we're going to do this. We're going to say that we introduce our value here. So we can say that this is going to be in here. Remember, we're going to maintain our cosine, and in here we're going to say 1 over x. Okay, 1 over x. We say that any number over 0 gives us infinity, meaning that any number divided by infinity should give us 0. Okay, and remember, this is just the approach. Okay, it's not the real value. Okay, so here we're going to have 1 over x, 1 over infinity, so we'll have 0, and then here we have 1 plus 0, then plus pi over 3. So now if we have this, it means that we can say that this is cos 0 plus pi over 3. So now we have cos pi over 3. Now we mentioned that these were spatial angles. So the cosine of pi over 3, if you remember, this one would be 60 degrees. So the cosine of 60 degrees is that, which is equal to the cosine of, which is equal to the sine of 30. So those are complementary. Okay, all right, so this is the limit.